Hey and welcome to Velos Motor. We make content on aviation and Formula One. As a continuation of the all commercial aircraft series, we'll be doing 10 facts on the Airbus A318. Fact number 1. The Airbus A318 is the smallest airliner in the Airbus A320 family. Fact number 2. It first flew on January 15, 2002. Fact number 3. It was introduced in 2003 with Frontier Airlines. Fact number 4. Air France is the largest operator of the Airbus A318. Fact number 5. The main operators were Air France, Aviancia, and Taroom. Fact number 6. It was produced from 2001 to 2013. Fact number 7. Surprisingly, only 80 units were built. Fact number 8. On November 10, 2005, Airbus announced the A318 Elite, which sadly did not become a reality. Fact number 9. It has a steep approach capability over other aircraft in the market. Fact number 10. The lighter weight of the A318 gives it a 10% operating range greater than the Airbus A320, allowing it to serve some routes that the A320 would not be able to, for example, Perth to Auckland or Singapore to Tokyo. But the A318's main usage was mainly short haul routes, for example, city jumping from London to Amsterdam. That's all for this video. Hope if you enjoyed it, consider leaving a like, sharing, or subscribing.